Okay, apart from this, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೋಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಂಪನಿಯವರು. ಅದು RSA. Are you aware of all those things?
Yes.
I have it.
Okay.
Yes.
RSA ರೋಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಗಾಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 year ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ 24/7 ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. Anything like related to Royal Enfield, either it might be puncture or you are running out of fuel also. You can call that number. They will fetch you 5 liters of fuel maximum. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ರೋಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರು, 4 ಇಯರ್, 5 years ಮಾತ್ರ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವು ರಿನ್ಯೂವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ 1,000 rupees, 1,100 rupees. Okay, that would be very, it's a good service in fact. A trained technician will visit your vehicle where the vehicle is on the spot. So that is one advantage.
I think it is 900.
900 depends. It depends. If it is 4th or 5th year, it will be 1,200, 1,300. If it is second year, it will be
Depending on the number of years the vehicle has run.
Yes. So adondu itkoli, adondu bekidre, if you can note down that number also or fit that number, better fit that 1800. Fit ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ರೋಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ರಾಯಲ್ ಎನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ 1800 21 0007.
In case if I don't have a roadside assistance package or something, if I give a call, is there any extra charges that I can pay?
They'll charge you.
But there is a service, right?
Service will be there, but they'll charge you.
But there is a service, unpaid service basically.
See, paying 1,000 rupees and getting 1 year service is absolutely fine. That is fine.
So in case if I don't have it and if I face any problem, is there any solution for that? I just need to know.
So they will come. They will have to pay for it. If you have an RSA, then you don't have to pay.
I mean, sometimes accidentally it has got expired and didn't realize.
We never know what is going to happen.
But once you take it, before it gets expired, you get a message.
Okay.
The RSA is getting expired, you need to
Whereas once you come here for the third service is 1 year ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೇ third service ಬರೋದು. Third service ಅಲ್ಲಿ you can renew your insurance and your roadside assistance also at the same time. Third service ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು.
Yeah.
Clutch cable remote.
That is only
Now for interceptors, especially interceptors and Himalayan, I think they have 3 years complementary. 3 years. 1 year. Himalayan only. 650 the new one. Super media and ಇದಕ್ಕೆ A series engine or B series engine ಗೆ you have 3 years. 3 years.
Let's go remote roadside assistance.